You guys, I don't usually say this, but I will say this. See this? That's ice. All right? So you guys are only gonna hear me say this once. So you ready? Fuck this shit. Nature, I'm not your biggest fan right now. I said it. Oh, how do I start this? I walked outside, I left my building, and from the door to my Uber ride, bro, it's not even snow anymore. It's like an ice skating rink, like everywhere. This is a bit much. This is a bit much. This. It's not even snow anymore. It's like ice. It's just straight ice. Arizona, I miss you. I miss you a lot. All this was grass, you guys. Oh, that's so cool, dude. So I know it's recording now.
Gotcha.
Now it's awkward because like I don't even know what to do.
Not bust your ass like that.
Stop.
I'm gonna fucking hold your hand so you don't fall over like a baby giraffe.
You.
If you insist.
Okay, so I don't know what to do. So I guess it's fine. We'll take it from the top. The top taken.
Surprise, surprise. Surprise, surprise.
Yo! I'm on ice.
Yeah? That was super fucking awkward.
Have you ever heard bricks crack before? Well, you have now, motherfucker. No, I'm just kidding. This shit is dangerous. I ain't even gonna lie to you. Like, this is some other shit. Like, I never experienced this. This is pretty cool, you know what I'm saying? So, it's like raining and shit. You see that? But it's like frosting over and shit.
I told you I can't walk on the ice. It just doesn't work for me. This is not okay.